storm leaving neighbors in Claremont County with some serious damage. Large trees toppling onto homes there, putting neighbors in danger. WLWT News 5's Daisy Kershaw has been out there all evening tracking those storms' impacts. She joins us live with what they're seeing right now. Hey, Daisy.
Chris, this is the aftermath of the storm for one family here in Mount Carmel. Take a look at this pool. It's been entirely crushed by a neighbor's tree. It came down on top of their patio area, narrowly avoiding their house and leaving a father ducking for cover.
I was at my back door and I was going to let my dog out before I went to work. And I just happened to look up and I saw the tree coming at me.
A Claremont County father finding himself in a frightening situation when this nearly 50-foot tree came crashing down in his backyard.
I kind of took cover, I flung the dog away, and he went rolling, and then the house shook, and this is what was left.
Thankfully, Mike Helms says he and the family dog walked away without a scratch. The same can't be said for their brand new pool and patio.
Unfortunately, I think it was just a matter of time before it came down.
Helms telling us the storm left an estimated $40,000 in damage.
We spent so much time and money and effort and blood, sweat, and tears making it like this. You know, we even got a sign saying our happy place. You know, this is like where we like to hang out.
Sadly, this is the kind of damage many neighbors throughout the county were left with. In Milford, a massive tree coming down on this home.
My 15-year-old son had just come home from school. And he was the one that was like, Mom, I think a tree just fell on the house.
These families have a big cleanup ahead, but tonight they're taking stock of what matters most.
Everybody's safe, everybody's fine. It can all be replaced, you know. Luckily the dog was okay.
This has prompted a conversation from a lot of the folks that I've spoken with tonight. They're saying it's a reminder to check not only on your own trees, but also to talk to your neighbors about the health of their trees. Thankful that everyone is safe here. Reporting live tonight in Claremont County, Daisy Kershaw, WLWT News 5.
All right, Daisy, thank you so much.